Welcome to the Nate Dogg tutorial on how to make eggs. Starring Nate Dogg.
How are ya?
Wow.
Alright. Cooking spray. Couple sprays.
How'd you learn this, sir?
Way back. Childhood memories.
Hood memories?
Hood memories. Luscious memories. Egg and
What is that?
It's an egg.
Where does that
Breast cancer.
where does that come from?
Chicken? What are those? What came first, the chicken or the egg?
What'd you say, sir?
What came first?
No one cares.
Or the egg? Wow, that's nice.
Just kidding.
Hey, what's the next step? I'm creating some wonderful eggs. Grab half for a water whisk.
Sir, how do you know Nate Dogg?
15 more. Getting that from the concept?
Roar.
Nate Dogg, what's the next step?
Put it in the microwave.
What's a microwave?
I think it's done, cousin.
What are these buttons you're
What are the
pressing?
numbers for? But you don't even explain how long you put it.
35 seconds, approximately.
What is this high-tech machine that you use?
Hey, wait a minute. Aren't you a volunteer fireman? Why are you cooking? Volunteer work?
Hey, don't I know
Volunteer.
somewhere? Have you came to my zoo?
Hey. Wait a minute. Aren't you Captain Avenger?
I think you're done.
Oh, what are you putting it back for?
It's not done yet.
Give it some time, man.
Who invented the microwave?
I did.
Was it volunteer work?
Oh, I did the tutorial for that one.
Coming soon.
Nearest you. What are you doing over there? What are you doing now?
Give it some more time, sir.
And after that, your eggs are done. Thanks, Nate Dogg. Until next time.